Good morning, students. In last lecture, I already discussed about electric circuit, open or closed circuit, and we already discussed about conductor and insulator. Conductor are those which allow the current to flow, or insulator which not allow to current flow. And I already discussed about the resistance, how the resistance depend upon the temperature. Yes, but in this lecture, student, we discuss about in text question number 1. In text question number 1. Yes, filling the blanks. A closed path for the flow of electric current is called, yes, closed path. A flow of electric current is there. That is called a closed circuit. If the closed path is not there, that is open circuit. Circuit diagram is there. You already know about the circuit diagram. Yes, see. This is the battery, bulb. Here you put the key. Then bulb started growing. Closed circuit is there. Circuit diagram is there. Yes, second. The SI unit of current is, yes, you already know about the SI unit of current. Yes, ampere. That is a ampere. Ampere. Yes, ampere. I already told about the formula of the current also. Q upon T. Charge per unit time. Charge flow in one direction per unit time. Yes. Third, the conventional current is due to the flow of a dash charge, whereas the electric current due to the flow of a dash. Yes, student, answer is the conventional current is due to flow of a positive charge, whereas the electric current due to negative charge. Yes, see there, student. You have one circuit diagram. Here key is there, circuit, closed circuit, on, key on, yes. You know electron flow from here to here and a positive charge flow on this side. Where the positive charge flow, that is called conventional current. And where the electron flow, that is called real or electric current. So see there, conventional current is due to flow of a positive charge, due to flow of a positive charge, and electric current due to flow of a negative charge, electrons. Yes, and whereas the electric current is due to flow of negative charge. Conventional current and electric current are opposite in direction. Yes, dash. See there here. Real current or electric current and conventional current, both direction opposite in nature. And electric current flow from dash potential to high potential, dash potential. Answer is a low to high. Why? See there. Keep in mind. Yes, keep in mind. Positive charge always flow. Yes, positive charge always flow from high potential to low potential. Keep in mind. And positive charge always produce the conventional current. But negative charge, keep in mind, flow from low potential to high potential. Keep in mind. That's why the answer here low and here high. The dash charge cannot be recharged. Yes, two type of already discussed about the two cells are there. Yes, dash cell, primary cell. Two types of cells are there, primary and secondary. You are able to recharge again, use the cell that is a secondary, but which you are unable to use and throw, that is a primary only. So answer is a primary. A dash cell can be They recharge. Yes. Which one? A secondary. Answer is the secondary cell. Secondary cell. Solar panel make use of dash to produce solar energy. Yes, that is the sun only. Sun. What is the main role of the solar panel is there? To convert the light energy into electrical energy. In solar panel, voltaic cells are there. That cell can be reused many times. That is a secondary cell. Secondary cell only. Rechargeable. The battery is used in the mobile. Electric scooters also. Inverter battery. The zinc container is a dash and carbon container or carbon rod is a dash in a dry cell. Yes. I already told about the dry cell construction and everything. Here now one problem is there in your book. Keep in mind. Please correct in the book. In your book, zinc act as a cathode. And upon the cathode the charge is a positive. And carbon as a anode. Carbon rod. Anode. That is a negative. But in your book reverse is there. Keep in mind. Yes, keep in mind. The answer with the zinc container is a anode negative charge. Yes, zinc is anode negative charge. Keep in mind. Correct there in your book. And carbon act as a cathode positive charge. This is the electrochemical cell. Chemical energy converted into electrical energy. In electrochemical, two types of cells are there. One is the electrochemical, in which chemical energy converted into electrical energy. Anode is always a negative, cathode positive. Keep in mind. But in case of electrolytic cell, which convert the electrical energy into chemical energy. Yes. In this cell, anode is a positive charge in nature and cathode negative. Keep in mind. So this is the answer is there. The zinc container is a dash is anode and carbon rod act as a cathode in a dry cell. Thank you.